Hi, welcome to How to Repair. It's a gusty day today and I've got a great location for you if you want to stop off at a town. I did not want to stop off in one of the cities for the simple reason being I was always worried about security, but this town is absolutely great and it has parking facilities for over 150 campers. The facilities are very basic there, but at least it's a well-paved flat area and you're able to put your camper in. It's well looked after, the security's good, the sanitary needs a little bit to be desired, but what are you expecting when it's only costing you £4 a night or 50 dirham? This is an absolutely great little place and I'm having to wear the hat for the simple reason being this old Swede is getting way too much sun and I'm even getting my ears burnt. So I couldn't wear the baseball cap because my ears are starting to fry. But let me just take you quickly round. The campsite is over this location and I think it's pronounced Oualidia. I'm just going to put it up on the screen for you because my pronunciation is very bad. It's about 50-60 kilometers above Safi and it's down about 150 kilometers from Casablanca direction. Might be a little bit more, but it is got everything. There's ATM in the town, good supermarkets as well, plus you've got all the normal fruit and veg stands. And this beach is absolutely stunning. And I'm gonna have to move in a minute because the tide is ripping in quite well over this sand dune and I wanna make sure I don't get blocked in. But I'll just take you quickly round a 360. The main town is at the top of the hill and the camping which we'll go and have a look at is over there. And I'm frightened I'm gonna lose my loving hat as well. But if we go all the way round, you can see the entrance to the sea up here. And it is absolutely stunning. Let's go and have a look at the campsite over the far side. Okay, from the main roundabout up on the main street in the town, you turn down towards the coast. As you can see, you've got Safi and Casablanca main roads just up the top. And if you follow this road down, you'll be really, really shocked with the beach. It is absolutely stunning. This is the main parking area, and if this fills up too much, they actually allow you to park in the top one below the arch, but you have to go all the way round to get through there because it's too low for campers. At the top there you can see the toilet facilities. There is cassette dumping available. They do charge 2 dirham for the cost of that. The toilets are usable, and I emphasize the word usable, but you have a vast array for parking here, and I can assure you it's 100% safe. On the side of the parking, you have a load of restaurants. Now, I actually ate in number 11, which was the top one. I had 5 or 6 calamari, a couple of Dover sole, and also a large bream, and that came to about 150 euros. Here is the secondary car parking, and as you can see, you enter at the far side there. I'm just walking over the bridge and you've got both car parks. I would say there is ample room for 150 vehicles here. Do be careful walking over this wooden bridge. I would not say it would withstand much. But that's the town at the top, which is very pleasant. Cash point machines, nice little restaurants, and supermarket as well. The park area is very open. There's normally in the evening children's cars and bicycles that they can ride around, which are for hire. And you can normally find yourself a bit of a shadow off a tree to sit in the shade. But as you can see, there's not a lot of shade here at the moment. Another sunset to really mess with your heads. Thanks very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, as that's what keeps us going. Thanks for watching.